Welcome back. It's been a long time. And there's a long story that goes with it. But we're back. I know you missed us. What do you have to say now that we're back, Danny?
We're in a different state now.
We're in a different state. This is Hawaii that you're looking at around us. You probably can't see very much of it because we're in our new old car, this Subaru Forester with this super safe seatbelt. I already forgot that you don't need to move the camera around because you can just look around yourself. Alyssa's got her Birks on. I'm wearing a swimsuit because that's what you do every day here. So you throw a swimsuit on, go to the beach, have some fun. We're trying to decide what to do for date night right now. But just wanted to hop on and start the blog off right by talking about nothing, having no agenda, and having a minute and 30 seconds of pretty much worthlessness of us talking. So in the Ross parking lot, not in a cool location, never in a good setting, always just randomly in our car or in some awkward location. We got 15 seconds left.
Why are we here?
Ah!